travel of food from stomach to the intestine. When chyme, the digested food from stomach, moves into intestine, it will have acidic pH. This acidic nature of chyme stimulates the production and release of hormones like cholecystokinin and secretin. These hormones stimulate pancreas to secrete pancreatic juice, liver to secrete bile juice, small intestine to secrete succus entericus. Most of the absorption takes place in small intestine through villi. Villi are the tiny finger-like projections of inner surface of small intestines. They are present in thousands, which increases the surface area of absorption. Intestine has developed coordinated movements of its neutral and muscular apparatus, which helps in proper digestion, efficient absorption, and adequate and required excretion. Finally, the content passes from small intestine to large intestine. Large intestine is composed of cecum, colon, and rectum. The main function of large intestine is water reabsorption and storage of fecus. The left side of colon stores undigested waste material and reabsorbs water from it. Hard masses called stools, formed after water reabsorption, are passed on to the rectum, the last part. Stools are stored for some time in rectum and later expelled through anus. The exterior opening anus consists of two muscular layers which helps in exit of stool. These are called as anal sphincters. 1. Inner internal anal sphincter, which is involuntary, and outer external anal sphincter, which is voluntary. That is, under our conscious control. They help in opening and closing of aperture.